Bonjour les garçons. Today I am going to talk about something something essential, something very important in French. It is called the gender, le genre. Okay? So when talking about the gender, what are we talking about? We are talking about the nouns. Like people, in French, the nouns can be masculine or feminine. Sometimes we like to simplify and we say male or female, but it should be called masculine or feminine. Okay? Let's try to understand this. Let's imagine there is a little boy here, right? The boy, I guess, has short hair. Okay? Ears, eyes, big ears, two small eyes. Okay? Maybe he's strong. Okay, so he has muscles. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at drawing, but let's imagine he's a very strong boy. Now on the right, I'm going to draw a lady, a very nice lady, a very nice woman with very long hair. Okay, very, very long hair. Very nice lips, also two eyes. Okay, here. She wears a nice dress. She wears a nice dress. Okay, and she's very pretty and very elegant. Now, let me ask you something. This boy, can he turn into a lady? No, he cannot, right? Why? Because he is a man. He was born a man, and he will remain a man for the rest of his life. The same applies for that girl. Can she become a man? I do not think so. She was born and raised a woman, so she will most likely remain a woman for the rest of her life. Well, it is exactly the same thing in French. The words can be masculine or feminine, and this will not change, okay? This will never change. If a word is masculine, it is bound to remain masculine for the rest of his life. I'm going to take a look. I'm going to pick one word, dog. The French word dog. Well, guess what? Chien, dog in French, is a masculine word, so I'm going to underline chien in blue. Now, let's pretend I want to talk about a car in French. Voiture. Well, guess what? Oops, sorry, I want it black, but it's okay. Voiture is feminine. So I'm going to underline voiture in red. If I want to say a dog, because voiture is masculine, I have to use the article un chien. This means a dog. Now, if I want to talk about a car in French, car is not masculine, car is feminine, so I cannot use un. I am going to use une. Okay? And this means a car. Okay? As you can see, a car, a dog. In English, this is the same word. In French, it is going to be different. Un chien, a dog. Une voiture, a car, right? Now, very often I have that question. How do we know if the word is masculine or feminine? Well, guess what? You cannot know. You cannot guess, right? So basically, you have to learn with dictionaries or books. And most of the time, by asking your teacher if the word is masculine or feminine. Over time, you will see it is very easy to remember. But in general, you cannot guess if a word is masculine or feminine. You need to learn. That's why it's very important to understand this. Okay? Now, let's pretend I'm talking about dogs or cars. What's happening this time? Well, guess what? Like in English, I am going to add an S. Right? Sorry. Like in English, I'm going to add an S. Dogs, cars. Okay? Chien et voiture. As you can see, the S is silent in French. We don't pronounce the S. And this time, I will not use un or une because un or une simply means one. It means a, right? I am going to use des. Des chiens, dogs, des voitures, cars. So this was a short introduction to masculine and feminine. Next time in class, what we are going to do is take a look, is trying to find out how to find the genre, the masculine or feminine of words, where to look and how to look. Hope it was helpful. Hope you understood the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in class. Au revoir les garçons.